So I'd like to go through how to diagram and think about the energy transfer that happened in the balloon demo. So the first thing that we're going to do is to sketch out a system with a simple box here. In this case, our system is the balloon demo. And then we're going to draw a circle around that, which is going to depict our surroundings. And the surroundings in this particular example was the room itself, and here's the happy set of students watching the balloon demo. And we can think about the system and the surroundings together constituting the universe. And as the reaction progressed, you all felt heat from the explosion, and that is depicted here. And that heat is equivalent to kinetic energy, in this case the kinetic energy of the surroundings. We know from the first law of thermodynamics that the change in energy in the universe is zero. In other words, energy is neither created nor destroyed in any process in the universe. That's also known as the first law of thermodynamics. Because energy is conserved and delta E of the universe is zero, if the kinetic energy of the surroundings goes up, then there must be a change in an offsetting and equivalent change in energy within our system. And that is, in this case, a decrease, and it's a decrease in the potential energy of the system. And that is because we wait long enough that the temperature equilibrates within the system such that the kinetic energy change in the system is zero, and all of the changes in the potential energy. So we can ask ourselves, in chemical terms, where does this decrease in potential energy of the system come from? And in terms of bonds, it comes from making better or stronger bonds in H2O, or in the 2H2O, that were as compared to what were the strength of bonds in the reactant state of the two molecules of hydrogen and the one molecule of oxygen. And if we now see that the potential energy of the system decreases, we can go back to the other way that we'd like to depict these reactions as the potential energy of the system versus reaction. And we know because the potential energy of the system decreases, then we can draw it as going from an initial state, potential energy state, to a lower one, but we know it has to go through an activation barrier in order to break the bonds and make the bonds, and that activation came from using the flame to ignite the balloon.